There's no feedback, so everything else is closed. Well, there's all this here, but I don't understand what's here. So let's start with this. Package in a package. Classic style. Such a pole color. Yes. It says Midjoss. Well, such a bracelet. Ordinary, but not relevant. I give them away for 10 hryvnias. Maybe some of you use such wristbands. Take them while they're available. Well, up to a dozen for sure. There are different colors, all sorts of things. So if anything, write to me. Always happy. The link to the Telegram group is in the description. Yes, subscribe. Next. The place doesn't cut anymore, but it tears, yes. Thank you. Looks like a water heater, but yeah, of course, this is, well, most likely some kind of powerful water heater for Vider or something like that. 2 circuits, let's say, and a regular plug. Okay, let's see how much this might cost organizationally. You saw we are moving on, by the way, something like this. I see. Yes, that's the thing. We have come across the third one, if I'm not mistaken, there. Mother, my wife, yes, or I don't do it there. For you, it will be easier. Yes. There was even one exactly like that. This is not that side. Not that side. Can't see anything. In short, you got it. I don't really get it, if I'm not mistaken. The previous one I sold for 100 hryvnias. Exactly the same bigger one. Also, came across. But it's not sold yet. Okay, all clear. Let's put this aside. Moving on. Could be my favorite chargers. I'm absolutely, definitely going to hang myself on them very soon. Seriously. So look, 1, 2. Yes, iPhone. Wow. Cool. On a magnet. Cool. I haven't seen this before. Also, iPhone and also iPhone. 3 cables for iPhone at 20 hryvnias each, 60 hryvnias in total. Alright. This one's even heavier. Took it apart. Okay. Mr. Shalito, what is this for? Yes. iPhone. iPhone. Not an iPhone. These old micro stuff. It's me. I'm the wire magnate friends. Well, another plus 60. Okay. Got it. Yes, let's get something more. Could it possibly be, perhaps by any chance, a tennis racket? Come on. Yes. Haha, a tennis racket. Listen, And not a bad one at that. I'm Shima. Wow. They even have balls. No way. Ha ha ha. Wow. Those are some hands. Amazing. Damn, I'd love to play tennis right now. That's a topic. Damn. Back in school. For such a racket, of course, I'd have fought. It's really sturdy. I'd try the feeling, don't show up. Okay, so listen. Well, this Yashima is quite heavy. Quite dense. Strong. Let's see, what is this Yashima? How much does it cost? And chocolate too. Such a pleasure. Maybe something quite good to indulge in. Really? Play tennis. So let's take this one. We have something here. It's really broken. It's oh god, dear. Amazing. And how do you like it? Is it tough? Is it a like? Is it a subscription? Wow. Oh, it's stuffy. Intense. Cool mask. Listen. Awesome. Well, it's cool. Class. It might not be used for some content. Everything's clear. Everything's clear. Wow. Yes. Everything's here. Oh. No. Banana. Again. Brawl Stars. Totally. They are so popular indeed that, well, they appear most often. Or I don't know, maybe this is already the 5th one. Probably, or the 6th. How did it end up like this? If anyone has kids who are fans of Brawl Stars, please look for them. Take them for 150 hryvnias. I'm giving them all to Vadim. It's crazy. What am I going to do with so many? Especially like these. If only they were decent. Yes. Oh, this kind we love. Yes. A lamp. Let's check right away if it works. I hope my light doesn't go out. Yes, clearly everything works. Awesome. Yes, super. I don't know how much it costs, but extra light is always needed. Well, for me personally, everything here works from a power bank. So it's exactly what's needed and the last package for today's unboxing. Oh, just like that, okay. A bag and a tablet. Got it. A regular tablet holder. Either a tablet is placed or you can, like a paper type, like a bag wallet, this is for us. I don't know for what purpose such a thing. Well, and here for cards. Okay, well, it's a normal thing. Why a tablet holder? I don't have a tablet. Insert some notebook there and write. Atlas SPP. Your world. Maybe we'll see how much it will be. It will cost 100%. I'll post it in the group. That's all. Thank you, everyone. See you.